And we now get you that statement by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju on the Parliament Lok Jam. He's questioned Rahul Gandhi's alignment with anti-India elements and also drawing a link to George Soros amid the Parliament Lok Jam. So that's the statement coming in from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, who's called out the opposition for disrupting the Parliament. He says, and I quote, "I will not comment on the notices in the Parliament which are to be decided by Chairman of Rajya Sabha and Speaker of Lok Sabha, but everyone is aware of the threat by George Soros to India and the Indian economy. Why is Rahul Gandhi working in tandem with anti-India elements?" So very pointed attack by Kiran Rijiju, who said that Rahul Gandhi is working with anti-national forces and drawing a link to George Soros as well amid the constant disruptions in the Parliament by the opposition leaders. So that's the statement that's come in from Kiran Rijiju. He's highlighted the threat to Indian economy and the perils of those working with anti-India forces, clearly saying that Rahul has been working, who's also the LOP, he's been working in tandem with anti-India elements. He's also called out the link that Rahul Gandhi allegedly has with George Soros and adds that George Soros is linked to the Parliament disruptions which have been quite rampant over the last few days. And here's a quick look at sports stories that we're tracking in this edition. Sunil Gavaskar is not happy with how the Indian bowlers used the pink ball during the first day of the series. He highlighted the Indian bowlers' inability to make the most of the conditions. Brazil Football Association extended their kit deal with Nike by 12 years to 2038. As per a source, the deal is worth $100 million per year, plus royalties on the sale of national team shirts. Punjab FC posted a comfortable 2-0 victory over Mohammedan SC to move to the third position in the points table of the Indian Super League. This is Punjab's sixth win of the season in 9 games as they now have 18 points.